I have a chance to meet Dilshan Abey. If you already watched my last video, you know what's happened at the end of the video. After a few days, statue no longer a statue. It's just a dry dog shit. I have nothing left. No hopes, no ease, no money. At this point, I give up. Until one day in October 2022, Dilshan Abey commented on my video. At this point, I can't give up. I motivated, so I contact cement statue expert. Then after hours talking, I stepped forward again, and it was really harder than last time. Last time times 100. Again, I spent all I have on this project. Everything I have. Actually, Potatoes is not sponsored this video, so don't eat this potatoes. Don't eat potatoes. Just this. But I really like this. Don't eat this. They're not sponsored.
So bruh.
Don't buy this stupid shit. Don't buy this. Talking about sponsored, this video actually sponsored by It's Rahal. It's Rahal is a free subscription-based platform where you can go to release all your stress and get some fun. Let's say you're sad or depressed. You just hop on the channel, watch some videos, and smile will be on your face. All you have to do, hit the red subscription button. Who the hell is changing this red subscription button into a black? Bruh. What the f? Come on. Under this video. Yeah, hit the subscription button. Back to the video. After weeks, almost month hard work, final result is so much better than last time. Enjoy the review. I have a chance to meet Dilshan Abey, but it's too far for me. 145 kilometers, 4.5 hours bus ride. Most of all, I have no idea how I'm gonna take this 10-kilo statue with me. This is what I want. The reason why I spent 2 months on this project. I wanna meet now. It's too far. It's kind of one of my dreams. I have no choice. The only way send this to him is courier. I have to courier my 2-month hard work. Let's courier. Yeah, this time, seriously, I'm done.